Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will design this car filter. So basically this is a car air filter and it's a very simple design. We'll just need two sketch and then we will utilize the multi-section solid. You can see in the part design, and there we can quickly design it. So let's start with the design. So I'll start with the mechanical design, part design. You can name the part. So we'll start with the sketch, and for the first sketch I will select YZ plane and go for sketching. Now here I will go for a profile and I'll quickly draw a profile that looks like this, and then we can mirror it this one. After that we need to give it dimension, so from here to here I can give it 10 degrees, and this vertical distance is 20, and this vertical distance is 50. Alright, we have our first sketch. So after that we can exit the sketch, and now we need to do another sketch. So before doing that we'll define a plane. So I'll go for plane definition and we'll select offset from plane, and our offset plane will be YZ, and let's say we go for 101.5 preview. I think that's fine. I'll press OK to confirm. Alright, after that I will select my new plane and go for sketching. So what you can do here is you can pretty much hide your sketch one so that it won't interfere with your new sketch. So I'll do the same thing. I'll take my profile and draw it like this and then mirror it at the vertical axis, then go for dimension. This time this one and this one should be 10 degrees. Vertical distance of this one, vertical distance of this one, and the values will be 11.5, and this could be, let's say, 25. Alright, after that we can exit the sketch and make sure you show your sketch one. Right, so that is our two sketches. Now we will utilize the multi-section solid, and for that we'll select a sketch 1 and a sketch 2, and what else, if we preview it, that's how you can see the multi-section solid is done. Now in case if you are not getting this one in a single click, or the only thing that you have to make sure is your closing point is on basically collinear. Make sure your closing point is collinear. It should not be like one closing point is here and one closing point is here, otherwise it will create a convex element. Alright, that make sure you keep that in mind. So once we have our multi-section, I will press OK to confirm. And the other thing that we can do with this one is I'll select this and go for a circular pattern. Right, now in the circular pattern I will go for parameters and complete crown because it should be 360. In the instances I want it to be 18, and for the reference element direction I will select x-axis. As soon as you do that, you will see a preview and you can press OK to confirm, or you can preview it if you want to. I have just pressed OK. Now the other thing that we have to do over here is a shell on this face and this face. So let's go for shell command, select face 1, select face 2, accept the default inside thickness 1 mm and press OK. So that's it with the shell. After that we need some sketches. So for that I will go for this face. I'll select this face and go for sketching. Alright, and we'll just draw a circle. We'll take a circle and from the center we'll draw a circle, and then we'll give it a dimension of 140 dia, and then we can simply exit the workbench and go for a padding. Right, so for the padding we want it to be, let's say, only 10 mm. Okay, and press OK to confirm. There you have the pad. Okay, so the other thing that we can do is we can do the same thing on this face. So for that we'll select this face, go for sketching, and then go for a circle again. From the center draw a circle, then give it a dia of 73, and then exit the workbench, go for the padding, and for this padding we'll change the value to, let's say, I'll reduce it so it won't look symmetrical kind of padding. So let's say 6 is fine. I'll press OK to confirm. And then what we can do is we can go for some fillet definition on both the pads that we have created. So let's say we go for fillet, select this edge, go for 4 mm, select fillet again, this face, go for 5 mm this time. So OK to confirm. Now the only thing that we need is basically a pocket. So for that we'll go for another sketch on this face and zoom to fit, select a circle, from the center draw a circle, give it a dia of 25, and then exit the workbench, and we will utilize the pocket command to go for a distance. So we'll not go all the way, we'll just go for 23 and press OK, and there you go, you have the car air filter. Very quick and easy design in Catia V5. Alright, so I hope you understand the steps that we took in designing this one, and typically you have to make sure that you are doing the multi-section correctly and the circular pattern as well. Alright, so I think this is very easy to model. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts with this one, feel free to comment down below. Also, if you are watching this, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.